this is Sejal, and this is episode 2 of Behind the Lens, where I take you through my journey into wedding photography. So, today I'm going to talk about how I became a photographer. So, this is a very nice story, though, and I feel most of them, like the wedding photographers, come from this field, maybe. But yes, so let's start. So, when I was in my 5th, 6th standard, so I actually. मैंने एक्चुअली अपने मेरे दादाजी जो है ही वॉज अ फोटोग्राफर बैक इन भूटान. ही यूज टू फोटोग्राफ दिस किंग्स एंड द क्वींस एंड वी हैड दिस लिटिल स्टूडियो वेयर यू नो दो जो प्रिंट्स चलते थे पहले, लाइक द passport size prints and all those things. So we had a little studio. So जहाँ पे he used to work and get all the prints done. वो photography भी करते थे, like usual, like photos वगैरह खींचना, kings and queens and all these things. So when I was born, he wasn't there anymore. But you know, all those pictures, all those उनके सारे कैमरास, उनके प्रिंट्स देयर, ये सारी चीजें ना बहुत थी घर पे. तो आई गेस फ्रॉम यू माई डैड एंड माई ताऊजी, ही न्यू लाइक they knew how to do it. Like photography उनको आती थी obviously, because after he died, after my दादाजी died, so they were the one taking care of everything. So they knew how to do photography, the prints and everything. So that's how I got into this field. As in like जब मैं 5th 6th standard में थी, तो उन्होंने मेरे डैड ने मेरे को उनका काम दिखाया, and you know the prints, the cameras, and I got so obsessed with it. वो इतने विंटेज कैमराज है. आई स्टिल हैव देम. आई विल एक्चुअली शो यू इन द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो, सो प्लीज कीप वॉचिंग दिस. सो नाउ सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो ये सारी चीजें मैंने देखा, एंड आई वाज सो फॉन्ड ऑफ यू नो ऑल दोज थिंग कि व्हेनेवर देयर वाज अ फेस्टिवल और समथिंग, तो पापा क्या करते थे, पापा कैमरा ले आते थे दुकान से. सो वी हैव दिस कैमरा स्टफ ऑब्वियसली. सो पापा कैमरा ले आते थे, एंड ही यूज्ड टू टीच मी लाइक दिस इज हाउ द पर्चर इज डन, दिस इज हाउ यू कंट्रोल द लाइट. सो पहले तो मैं बहुत ऑटो शूट करती थी. आई यूज्ड टू हैव दिस थिंग कि ऑटो फोकस में शूट कर लिया एंड देन खत्म. बट देन when I started this journey into this manual thing कि ये आप balance out कैसे करते हो and all those things. So he taught me few of the thing, and then what happened is मेरे पे वो खुद ही ज़्यादा obsession हो गया था कि I need to learn. So that's how I ended up watching YouTube channels, and I learned photography, the basics of photography. So I still remember there was this Canon camera I started with. It was 1200D, and that's how मेरे को lenses का कोई idea नहीं था. But yes, the manual thing got, like I trained my eyes into this manual thing, and then everything started then. So हर festivals में हम लोग shoot करने लग गए थे. I used to upload pictures on my Instagram. So you know all my friends जो मेरे schoolmates थे, they knew that इसको photography आती है. So I was the one clicking everyone's pictures though. And yes, it was not only the camera that I clicked with. I also clicked pictures from my phones. I started doing photography from my phone. I uploaded pictures on Instagram. So that's how my journey into photography started. And then फिर मैं बहुत लोगों को follow करने लग गई, like you know Ganesh and all those street photographers. I follow them from the very, like it's been, I guess, more or less like 10 years now that I've been following them. I have seen their journey, in fact, and it's so inspiring. So that's how I got into photography, and I will definitely share a picture of my Dadaji with you guys. So I still, like, this journey is not about any business or any kind of thing, but it's about the legacy that I'm actually, you know, following that thing that he was doing, and right in the family I'm the only one doing the photography thing. So with every photography thing that's going in this field, like abhi jo bhi meri journey hai into this wedding photography, it's not only my alone journey, but it's his journey as well. Because I guess उनकी चीज़ों से inspire होके ही I thought of, you know, becoming a photographer. And मेरे schooling में ही I thought कि मेरे को पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है. I want to get into this photography field. I want to learn more. I want to, you know, picture people around. जब मैं घर पे होती थी, आई यूज्ड टू कॉल माई फ्रेंड्स टू डू मॉडलिंग फॉर मी, सो दैट आई कैन टेक देयर पिक्चर्स. एंड देन फिर काफ़ी चीज़ें मतलब मैं करने लग गई, लाइक दोस्त लोग को बुलाना घर पे, फोटोज खींचना, मम्मी को दिवाली पे रेडी करके आई यूज्ड टू गेट हर पिक्चर्स डन, माई सिस्टर के पिक्चर्स में लेने लग गई. सी तो दैट्स हाउ, यू नो, आई गॉट सो इंस्पायर्ड. एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माई 12th from Jaigaon itself, I actually came here in Delhi. I did a professional course in Delhi, like a proper diploma, 11 months diploma course in Delhi. And then that's how I learned photography and everything. So I'm just sharing you this, but I will definitely share you all those things who are actually wanting to be a photographer now. So I'll share my whole study. How did I, go from like just a passion to a business into photography. I'll share everything in detail so that I don't want any of you to land up, कि मैं कर तो रही हूँ, but then especially female photographers again, तो they are actually very lost, क्योंकि मैं भी बहुत lost थी. There was no one in my family who was doing this photography thing, so it was way difficult for me to, from Jaigaon to this journey into Delhi. It was way difficult, and now since I'm doing it, I actually want to help people out so that in fact they can think of this dream and actually turn this passion into a business. So yes, not business but also like a profession first and then obviously business. So yes, so I'm just sharing all these things, and yes, I'll just show you my the cameras that my Dadaji owns. Just wait. So are you ready to see? So I'll also show a picture of him that I have actually framed it. There are a few pictures of him that I framed him, and there's also a picture of the studio that I actually framed. It's way beautiful. So I'll just show you everything. I'm so excited. So that's my handsome Dadaji with his camera. And here is here is my Dadaji. He is with the king of Bhutan, and holding this beautiful camera on his hand. And then there is this beautiful picture of the studio when he was very, very young. It's actually written 1955 dark room. So where he get his prints and everything done. So that's a very, I guess, a very young picture of him. And now let's show you the camera. So this is the Mamiya camera C330. So you can see it's completely like vintage. It's beautiful. So this is how the camera looks like. And then there's one more camera, which is this one. There is actually a few more cameras, but yes, because I'm here in Delhi and I don't want कि by any chance I lose this thing, so I have just bought 2 cameras with me. That too eventually बहुत time से, there was no camera here, so I always wish to have his memory with me. So that's how I had this compartment where I actually displayed all his cameras and also a few pictures of him. But I'll definitely show you more if I get home early. Like जब मैं घर जाऊंगी, I would definitely show you everything, the pictures that he has taken. And you know what, we also have a projector where all the pictures have been taken are displayed. Like वो चलता था, I have seen that projector working. Actually, I've seen that projector working. But yes, if I get home and if it's still working, I would love to show you guys. So this is end of today's YouTube channel. Okay, so sorry, this is end of episode 2 of my YouTube channel, and we will be back again with another topic, another story. So do like, share and subscribe. I'm actually still learning to use YouTube more. So yes, please bear with me. Bye bye.